Hi, I'm Gary with Bell Janitorial Supply, and today we're going to talk about the Clarke EX40 18LX. This is an 18-inch, 12-gallon carpet extractor. The EX40 is a machine that we've been using for many years here at Bell Janitorial Supply. It's a machine that we rent. It's a machine that we also sell to all the school districts. First off, I'd like to point out that the right side of the machine is wider than the left side of the machine. So your right side of the machine is the side that you'll use to cut in around the room. Your handle's easily adjustable, so I can put it at whatever height I like. I can also flip it around and push it like a lawnmower. We got the recovery lid here, it opens up. The top of this is the recovery tank. Notice that the drain hose is toilet bowl high, so we can drain that right into a toilet or a slop sink or whatever. It's easily removed, so you can rinse it out. But here on the bottom, we're going to fill it up with hot water. I recommend only hot water in this machine, no chemicals. I like to run the chemicals through my pre-spray, and I'll show that to you in a minute. This has a easily removed filter that I can pull out and clean on and inspect on a daily basis. And it just goes right back in a total little slot right there. On the back of this machine is where you can plug in your upholstery tools. It comes with this hose cuff on here, and this hose cuff allows you to use your standard 1.5 inch tool that you probably already have. The new one is 1.25 inches, so I can take that right off, and the new one slides right on. The quick release goes in right here, and now I can clean upholstery, stairs. I'm going to make sure that my dial on the top is dialed to the floor. If I was going to run the upholstery tool, I would twist the knob over to the upholstery tool. We're going to leave it here on the floor, and then here on the back, we have the same switches, one for the floor, one for the upholstery tool. This is my main on-off switch, and then right here on the bottom of the machine are where my spray triggers are. There's 1, 2, 3 triggers here. All three of them do the same thing. I like to adjust this to the bottom of my pockets, and then I'll go up to where I'm going to clean. I'll grab my levers here, start spraying the water, pick up just a little bit, and drag the machine backwards at a nice slow pace. Here at Bell Janitorial Supply, we have a powdered enzyme pre-spray and a powder with an acid rinse. These are usually used for truck mount units for deep cleaning. These are great products. We've been using them for a long time. Probably my most favorite product though is the LO2C, the liquid oxygen cleaner. This is a encapsulation, a bonnet, a carpet pre-spray and carpet rinse and upholstery all in one chemical. It has hydrogen peroxide in it and some citrus. Spray this on the carpet and let it dwell for about 10 minutes, and then I'll take my carpet extractor full of hot water and just go over it and rinse it out. The cool thing about the LO2C is that it is an encapsulation, so if I didn't get it all out of the carpet, and once it dries, it crystallizes. So as I vacuum, it'll continue to clean for the next 3 or 4 vacuumings. It's probably my most favorite product we have at Bell Janitorial. So I want to just put this down nice and even and let this sit for about 10 minutes. I'd like to point out that the EX40 is a gold on the Carpet and Rug Institute, meaning that it has been certified for superior cleaning. When we go to turn this on, I'm going to turn it on, make sure I'm on the floor. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're going to drain the dirty water out of here. So like I said, this dirty water hose is toilet bowl high, so if you don't have a sink available, you can go to the toilet. But you always want to just uncap this up in the air away from you, and then you just pour it into the bucket. I'm Gary Greenwell, this is Bell Janitorial Supply. Thanks for watching.